Good morning, reporting live from Little Cottonwood Canyon. What a day it is. Excited to get on the mountain. Headed today towards Alta Ski Area. Vertical there, 2538, 119 total trails there at the resort. They don't have any double blacks. They just label everything as a single black or intermediate or beginner, which they have very few. Gonna see how this ends up. Finally got some wider planks on me. I rented some wider skis, so it'll be interesting putting those on for the first time. Looking forward to getting out there on the hill, shredding some turns, and let's get ripping.